Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for limits and continuity. Kindly refers to the question, given we have the function which is the piecewise functions where we have the domain from 0 until 9. Find the limits when x approaching 9 from the right for the function fx, and also find the limits for x approaching 9 from the left for the function fx. Hence, find the limits when x approaching 9 for the function fx. First, what we have to do is to represent the situation in the real number line. So here we have 0, here we have 9. So kindly locate the function. So here we will have x plus 3 over x minus 5. Then we have square root of x. Limits when x approaching 9 from the left for the function fx kindly refers to the real number line where we have 9 from the left, which is x plus 3 over x minus 5. Kindly substitute the value. So here we will have 12 over 4. So limits when x approaching 9 from the left for the function x plus 3 over x minus 5, which is equals to 3. Next, limits when x approaching 9 from the right for the function, we have the square root of x, which is equals to 3. So at the end, we notice that we have limits when x approaching 9 from the left for the function fx. The value is equals where we have the limits when x approaching 9 from the right for the function fx. At the end, the limits when x approaching 9 from either from the left or from the right for the function fx, we have the answer 3. And we can say the limit exists. Next, we have evaluate the limits when x approaching 0 for the function given. So first what we have to do is to substitute the value 0. And we notice that if we substitute 0, here we will have 0. And then here also we have 0. So our answer will be 0 over 0, which is the indeterminate form. So in here we have 3 alternative ways in order to find the value. Number 1 is factorize, followed by conjugate and long division. So my suggestion would be multiply with the conjugate. So limits when x approaching 0, we have the function 3 sub x minus 2x over 2 sub x. The suggestion will be multiply with sub x over sub x, where we have the conjugate. Next is to expand the situation. So limits when x approaching 0, so kindly expand the situation. So here we will have 3x minus 2x multiplied with the square root of x over 2x. So kindly simplify the situation. Factorize the x. So limits when x approaching 0, if we factor x, we will have 3 minus 2 multiplied with the sub x over 2x. So notice that we have a common terms, so we can simplify. Rewrite the situation. Limits when x approaching 0, we will have 3 minus 2 sub x over 2. Kindly substitute the 0, and we notice that we will have 3 over 2, approaching 3 over 2. So limits when x approaching 0 for the function 3 sub x minus 2x over 2 sub x. The value of y will be approaching 3 over 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.